The sum of two numbers is 26 and the difference between their squares is 52. Find the numbers. So we are looking for two numbers that when you add them, you get 26. And when you find the difference between their squares, that is when you subtract the square of one from the square of the other, you get 52. Let's represent the numbers with variables. Let's say x is the first number and y is the second number. The question says that the sum of the numbers is 26, which means that when you add the two numbers, you will get 26. It also says that the difference between their squares is 52. So it means that if you subtract the square of one number from the square of the other number, you get 52. So we have x squared minus y squared, and this gives us 52. Let's call this one equation 1, and let's call this equation 2. Equation 2 is x squared minus y squared is equal to 52. X squared minus y squared is difference of two squares, and it can be expanded as x plus y in one bracket, x minus y. And so x squared minus y squared is equal to 52 can be written as x plus y times x minus y is equal to 52. But from equation 1, we know that x plus y is 26. So we can replace x plus y here with 26, and that will give us 26 times x minus y is equal to 52. I'll divide this side by 26 and divide this side also by 26. So you see that 26 and 26 will cancel out, and so x minus y will be equal to 52 divided by 26. 52 divided by 26 will give us 2, and so x minus y is equal to 2. Let's call this one equation 3. From equation 1, we know that x plus y is equal to 26. This is equation 1. We can solve equation 1 and equation 3 simultaneously for the values of x and y. I'll add them to eliminate y. When I add them, I'm going to have x plus x, which will give me 2x. Negative y plus y will give me 0. And 2 plus 26 will give me 28. And so when we add these two equations, we will have 2x is equal to 28. To get the value of x, I'll divide both sides by 2. And this will give us x is equal to 28 divided by 2, which is 14. So we have the value of x as 14. From equation 3, we know that x minus y is equal to 2. I've just found x as 14, so I can substitute it here to get the value of y. And so when I substitute x here, I'll have 14 minus y is equal to 2. I'll send y to the right hand side and bring 2 to the left hand side. And this will become 14 minus 2 is equal to y. 14 minus 2 is 12, and so y is equal to 12. So the value of x, which is the first number, is 14, and the value of y, which is the second number, is 12. And so we can say that the two numbers are 12 and 14.